Hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson, and this is Surplus Funds 101. Just wanted to start off by saying thank you to all the people who liked the video, subscribe to the channel, or leave a comment below. I love communicating with you guys. So go ahead and leave a comment below, and as a little thank you for watching this video, I wanted to give you a gift. Okay, I know a lot of you guys are brand new, you're just getting started, you don't know what to say when you're talking to somebody, and I have a free calling script. There's a link in the description, and you can just put your information down and you can get it today. In addition to that, I'm going to be giving you guys a free 15-minute coaching call with me to where you guys can ask me whatever questions you want. So the link is down in the description. Go ahead and take advantage of it today. But let's get into the content. And what I wanted to share with you guys are the 4 best tech tools for somebody that's brand new to the business. Okay, I know that a lot of people, they like to spend money out of the gate that you don't need to, but there's 4 ones that are just really simple and easy for someone that's brand new that I think are crucial for you to take advantage of. So the very first one is a CRM, and for you guys that are brand new, a CRM stands for a client relationship management database, and pretty much what that is an online database that helps you store customer data in an organized fashion so you can manage all the people you speak with and you plan to follow up with. Okay, now the reason why I think CRMs are so important is, I would say conservatively, if you aren't using one, you're going to lose at least 25% of the business or the people that you speak with by just being unorganized. And so it's super crucial that you have one. Okay, now as far as the CRM goes, it doesn't need to be fancy or expensive. Just the basic functions of a CRM will work, and there's so many free versions out there online that work good for anybody that's brand new. Okay, you know, it's kind of like going to the iPhone store. When you go try to get a new iPhone, they're going to try to sell you on how the camera is better, how the processor is the best. But when you really look at it, you think to yourself, all I really do is text message people and surf the web on a few apps. And you know, my phone from 10 years ago could do that. And so when you're out there looking at these CRMs, you guys, you don't need to spend money on them, and they don't need to be super fancy. They just need to be able to do the basic functions of what a CRM can do. Now, because this is so important, I wanted to go a little bit more in depth about why CRMs are so important and just the daily workflow on how you can use it. So number 1, while you're speaking to somebody on the phone, you take manual notes of the conversation with a pen and a pencil. Once the call is done, you pause the auto dialer, or you stop everything you're doing. You manually enter that information into the CRM. Okay, number 3 is you create a follow-up timer for that lead. Okay, what I like to do is, if somebody tells me they want me to call them back in a week, I cut that time frame in half. So whatever time frame they tell you to call them back in, cut that time frame in half, and that's when you call them. And you guys, you have to get really good at following up with people. Okay, following up with people, that's the goal of this business, because most of the money is made in the follow-up. Now, I know that some of the advanced people that are listening to this are going to say, no, David, you're wrong. What you need to do is have an automation trigger on your auto dialer that pushes a lead information in your CRM. And yes, that's true. That's how I run my business. But I know a lot of you guys are going through YouTube University. You don't want to spend a penny on your business, and you want to do this the cheapest way possible. And I will be the first person to tell you, the people that see the best results are the ones that are willing to get their credit card out of their pocket, make an investment into some tech tools that can help them gain leverage over their time. The people that are doing this the free way, they want to manually make phone calls, they want to manually do everything, and it takes them 20 times longer to get their very first deal. And by then, they usually have given up because they don't have any proof of concept, and they haven't been able to get that check in their hand to say, damn, this is real. I can get excited about this business, and then take that excitement, turn it into momentum, and then turn that into a business that's cranking out 10 deals a week. So you guys, the money is in the follow-up. But nonetheless, let's go on to the next thing. Okay, number 2, claim skip tracing software. Okay, skip tracing is just a way to figure out the context information you're looking for. Now, you guys, there's both paid and free websites to use skip tracing for. And let me tell you, you pay for what you get, but here are a few that you can use. And it's True People Search, Been Verified, and Batch Leads. Out of all three of them, Batch Leads is by far my favorite. Now, number 3, an office phone line for you to make calls from. Okay. Now, a digital number like Google Voice is great as far as a free service to make calls that don't require you using your own personal number. Now, there are other options out there where you can rent an area-specific telephone number for like $1 to $3 a month, and that's what I suggest people do. You know, I see a lot bigger conversion rates in the areas where we're making phone calls when the area code is specific to the people that we're calling. Okay. And another thing about a digital number is it conceals your personal number, so clients can't call your office line and not be able to get a hold of you personally. You know what I mean? Now, like I was saying, using an area specific number will significantly increase your contact rate because people will think you live in that local area. Number 4, and I can't stress this enough, you guys, a professional email. Okay. Usually they're free and gives you more of a respectable professional look. What I suggest doing is using your name or your business name and having something like Green River Asset Recovery, Green River Unclaimed Funds, whatever it might be, but try to use something like that in the name of the email address and it'll work the best. Now, if you really want to go above and beyond, you can go and get a matching domain name and all the social handles, and that'll be about $10 a year. Okay, but that's optional. Now, number 5, low upfront investment costs. This is one of the best parts about the industry that doesn't require too many additional operating expenses. And most of these things you guys already have at your house, like an internet, phone, paper to take notes, earbuds or a headset. And all you need is a good attitude before hopping on the phone and making phone calls. But you guys, here are just a few things that are really, really good that you can take advantage of right out of the gate if you're brand new that will barely cost you any money or they'll be completely free. But if you guys found value in this video, like this video, subscribe to this video, and go click on the link in the description and pick up a copy of your free cold calling script today.